In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste content from Google Gemini to a Word document in two very easy ways. Whether you're looking to easily transfer content for a report, an essay, or any other purpose, I've got you covered with clear and simple steps. First, let's start by visiting Google. Open up your preferred web browser and type Google into the search bar. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll want to search for Google Gemini. Type that into the search box and press enter. You'll see a list of results, so go ahead and click on the Google Gemini website link that appears at the top. This will take you directly to the website where you can start interacting with the tool. Next, let's create a prompt. For instance, perhaps you're curious about discovering the top 10 foods that might cause cancer. Type your question or topic into the prompt area provided by Google Gemini, and when you're ready, simply click the Submit button. Google Gemini will process your request and provide you with the content you need, right there on the screen. Now, we arrive at our first method for copying content. Thanks to Google's efficient design, there's a handy copy button. Look for this button in the response that Google Gemini has generated for you. Clicking it will automatically copy all of the information provided to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted elsewhere. If you plan to paste this into a Word document, you can open a new or existing document. Once there, simply paste the copied content. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting the Paste option, or by using the keyboard shortcut, Control-5 on Windows or Command-V on Mac. For our second easy method, you have the option of highlighting the text manually. Click and drag your mouse across the content you need. After selecting it, you can press Control-C on your keyboard to copy it. This method can be particularly useful if you only need a specific portion of the content Google Gemini has provided. With the text copied, open your Word document where you want to insert the information. Again, you can right-click to paste, or simply use Control-V to drop the text into your document. These methods ensure flexibility, allowing you to grab exactly what you need with minimal effort. And there you have it. Two straightforward ways to copy content from Google Gemini to a Word document. Whether you're utilizing the Quick Copy button or selectively highlighting text, these techniques provide you with efficient options for all your content transferring needs. Thanks for watching, and as always, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.